powerful 6.2 magnitude earthquake struck the Sea of Marmara at 12:49 p.m. local time today.
Koş 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 koş. Koşun koşun. Allahu Ekber.
A strong earthquake with a magnitude of 6.2 hit in Istanbul at 12:49 local time. More than 150 people were injured when they jumped from buildings in Istanbul on Wednesday, as one of the strongest quakes in years hit the city. It had a shallow depth of 10 kilometers above 6 miles, according to the United States Geological Survey. With a preliminary magnitude of 6.2 shook Istanbul and other areas Wednesday, brought widespread panic and scores of injuries in the Turkey city of 16 million people, though there were no immediate reports of serious damage. More than 150 people were hospitalized with injuries sustained while trying to jump from buildings.
Everybody's outside right now.